This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man, as y'all boys can see, bro, we do have the monster truck right here, man. And I could just show y'all. Matter of fact, oh damn, hold on, let me unlock the V right quick, bro. Hold on.
He said 10 minutes. You heard me? You wanna wait that?
Alright, man, here is the surprise, bro. Boom. We have the HELLCAT wheels right here. These are two rear rims, and then I have hold on, wait, one of them is actually out. Yeah. I have okay, I know what y'all saying. Why do I have a pillow in the back? Look, that's none of y'all business, bro. Alright, look. These are the HELLCAT wheels right here. Boom. Y'all probably like, why is these ones like a glossy type of black, and why my other ones a matte type of black? I could not find I couldn't find a full set of matte black, so I just got one glossy and then one matte black, and then whatever one looked the coolest, I guess I'll paint the other ones, or like, you know what I'm saying, I'll get the other ones that same way. Is that you know what, don't even worry about that, bro. I don't know why. Yo, bro, I just got a lot of stuff in my junk right now, bro, but we good. And then as y'all can see, if y'all can see that, that's the other one right there. But heck yeah, bro, we got the wheels. And then now, I'm not gonna lie, after these wheels get on here, I'm not even gonna start here and lie to y'all, I'm gonna take a break from buying stuff on this car, bro. Yo, oh my god, this mess looks so bad. It's not that bad in person, but on camera it looks crazy. Like from far you can't see it, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna take a little break, bro, from buying stuff. I've been buying so much stuff. I'm a little like nervous about that. I'm scared about that. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what to think about that. Oh damn, bro, I know what it's called, bro. It's not clicking in my brain right now, bro. But supposedly you can shave that, but hopefully we don't got to do no shaving, like, at all, bro. I hope everything just sits perfectly and we good. So yeah, that's my biggest concern. But besides that, though, I think we straight, you know what I'm saying? Like, we good, bro. Just vibe out. But yeah, I'm going to get to y'all boys, man, when we either on the road or when we arrive. All right, man, as our boys can see, we are getting the rims changed. Oh, damn, they lifting it bit up right now. Damn. All right, but yeah, man, we getting the rims putting on this joint right now, man. So we got to get our sensors pulled off of all of these. We could probably be here for a little minute. We got to get all of this mess pulled off and then put onto the new rims. So yeah, we'll keep y'all boys updated, but that's where we at with it right now, man. We getting the rims put on, as y'all boys can see. Oh, y'all can't even see, but look in the mirror, bro. We got a bunch of stuff in the back. So yeah, all of that got to get put on. Hopefully we could just leave the boxes here. But I mean, if we can't, forget it. I'll take it and junk it somewhere. So god dang, I can feel that mess under. Damn. This shit feels so crazy.
Yeah, squatted truck.
Literally. This really feel like how my car feel like anyway, though, with the lifted front end, bro. But yeah, man, we gonna get back to y'all, bro.
You going for 30s?
Yeah, exactly. We going for 30s on it, man. We gonna get back with y'all boys, though, man, when we get the wheels put on, bro. Look, they already moving them Jones right now, man. Yeah, let's go, bro.
Come on, Dinkkk, put in some work.
Dang, it's another
Oh, yeah.
I got you.
Alright, appreciate it. Alright, so what we doing today?
Man, don't mind, I ain't got no haircut, but as I can
Hey,
see,
we ain't worried about that.
it's the first time, bro, I didn't see my truck sit like this, bro. This shit look crazy as hell. Shit look crazy. I know, right? Pull up, speed.
That John didn't even do nothing.
Oh, god damn.
Oh. Almost
Hold up,
there.
matter of fact. Get do it one of them jumps real quick. The wheels are in that shit.
You should have had your head on when that jump, bro.
I know, bro. That's the type of shit I need to be recording, bro. Hold on, I'm about to close that bit.
Push that jump. There you go.
Alright, man. As your boys can see, we just got that bit on there. I ain't gonna lie, I need a haircut, but Yo, bro, that come later, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to shoot a skit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We gotta still shoot at least.
We need 3 out.
At least 3.
Yeah.
Look at how back. We got pillows to protect the shit and everything. Hold on, let me put this in the back of my car. Yes, I'm not even gonna stop the recording. Like, oh, you want your cardboard back?
It's your cardboard.
That was?
Oh, that bumper box.
I can't feel my goddamn hands, bro. Damn, this shit looks sexy, bro. I do need an alignment, and I'm gonna get black lugness and shit like that. But whew, this shit look crazy. Look at it. Hold up.
That gloss on.
But if y'all didn't know already though, my car already set like that. So
you look crazy because your wheel tires white.
yeah, exactly. This shit looks so beautiful, bro. Yo, this shit is sexy, bro. Damn, that shit looks good, bro.
That gloss on. Man,
Nigga, like that boy Isaiah got us right with the tire shine, man. My shit was looking a little dusty, bro. They had my shit in the container, cuz. Like, whew. Damn. Yeah, this shit looks good. But yeah, hold up. We about to try to get some skits, so catch up with y'all boys in a second, bro. So, alright, man. We are about to go and meet up with Rand. We about to fix his rims. So, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Ain't as bad as it was in the last clip. Yeah, we getting there now. But, yeah, bro, I'm gonna give y'all boys probably a cold start. If I don't give y'all a cold start, my bad. I was rushing. But we about to go to Rand crib and, fix his rims. So, yeah, let's go there, bro. And then we still got, like, look at my interior, bro. I know my stuff dirty, bro. I gotta get it detailed. Hey, Heen, this your job, cuz you supposed to be getting me right. No cap. But now, yeah, I still got, like, right here, I'm not gonna lie, I want to take my door panels off and get, like, y'all know the door panels, they got, like, the lines in it, like the stitching. Yeah, I want the red joints. I really want red seats. And then I gotta get the center console out. I know I got, like, receipts and car parts in that bag right there, but, like, gotta get the center console out. This, I probably do this, like, the whole, like, dash and, like, bezel and stuff like that. I probably do that before any other thing, though, because this gonna look cool as hell when I do it. Big screen and stuff like that, so. Yeah, bro. Look at this man, bro. Mess with Rand rims because somebody cooked them, bruh. So you gotta get these ones right. To me, they not bad, but like, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I feel it though, bruh, cause I got black wheels, and if that happened to me, bruh, I'm gonna want that shit fixed as soon as possible, so I understand them. You feel me? And look at this, bruh. I just got these ones yesterday, and look at them, bruh. Look, crazy work. That's insane, bro. I just got these shits, but heck yeah, hold up. Nah, I ain't even gonna do it. I can feel the heat off that shit, bro. But yeah, bro. I don't know. This don't even feel real. This don't even look like this my car, bro. That's the crazy part about it. Look, bro. That's insane. I ain't gonna lie, cuz. I don't even have no. Wait, I do got a rag somewhere in this car. Hold up, bro. My fault. I know y'all probably like, you gonna cut? You gonna make a cut? Nah, bro. Y'all gonna watch me clean these bitch. I know somebody like, bro, you're wildin', bro. But like, bro, it's not like super bad. But like, I mean, I want my shit to be, you know what I'm saying? Yo, bro, y'all don't even understand the hours, boy, I done put in that work, bro, to get these motherfuckers, for no cap. And these not that hard to clean, thankfully, bro. Cause, yo, I done cleaned some crazy rims before, bro. And them shit be hard as hell. Like, all them rims that be having, like, a bunch of shit going on with the rims, bro. Like, a bunch of, like, designs in the rims. Yeah, that shit looks sweet until it's time to clean it. And then you're fucked. Like, you feel me? gotta goddamn, you feel? You know what I'm saying? Gotta goddamn get that bit right. And for anybody wondering about the American Muscle caps, I'm gonna get those taken off too. I'm probably gonna do that shit myself. Just pop it out with, like, you know what I'm saying? That's like some little shit. I'm gonna pop them out and then put the SRT ones. Why am I putting SRTs on the RT? That should just look cooler. Like, so yeah. And plus, eventually though, I wanna make this shit like a baby Hellcat. Oh, by the way, that's the name of the build if y'all didn't know. I don't think I introduced it to y'all, but this is the baby Hellcat build, bruh. So y'all probably like, how the hell you gonna do this? Don't worry about it. Y'all gonna see. I can tell y'all. I ain't gonna lie, which is crazy. This gonna sound so crazy, but like, bro, when I first found out that you can, and this was a minute ago too when I found this out, that like you could put, like, now it's starting to get popular. Like, a lot of people starting to do it, but like, I found out you could put the blower on top of the 5.7, bro. So I'm gonna do that shit. And I've been talking about this, bro, when since I've been playing the game, nigga. And now I got the car, nigga, and we got them. You know what I mean?
You know how to work this shit out.
Let me see. Bruh, that shit is crazy. Them shits got dirty so fast, bro.
I told you, bro. That rims do not stay clean, bro.
Yo, bruh. I only drove the shit home, bruh, and that shit was like, the color is like, look in the back.
Yeah, and, bro. Look at the lines, bro. Caked.
Damn, bruh. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna make sure I keep that bit, bruh.
Them bitches hard as fuck, dang.
Let me go ahead, bruh. I just said that shit on camera. I was like, bruh, this shit don't even look like my car, bruh. Like,
bro, you pulled up. I was like, what the fuck?
yo, bruh, them rims, bruh, them shits at Isaiah house, bruh. I ain't even know them shits is like they damn near white. I was like, what the hell, bruh? But yeah, hold up. Let me get ran right real quick, bruh. All right, then we got day one right here, bruh. Damn. That boy ran one lion, bruh. Bro, I kid y'all not. I put these shits on, dropped Isaiah off at his house, and then went straight back home. And, bro, this is the result, bro. Am I gonna clean these joints every time every chance I get? Hell yeah, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Huh?
You gotta do one at a time.
Alright, that's fine.
I'm gonna do the front one first.
Alright. Yeah, let me finish goddamn getting it right real quick. I know I'm just speeding through this shit, but like, I get the point, bro. My shit gotta be, you know what I'm saying? Can't pull up on a, you feel me? And your shit don't look right. My fault. I ain't even been showing y'all the love. Oh, man. I know. Alright. Boom. She get these bitches right, bro. Boom, there we go, bro. I mean, it's good for now, at least. Alright, let's hope they boy ran, bro. Alright. You ain't got no log? You ain't got no log or nothing, bro?
I just got it.
Bruh, that shit was in my Malibu too, bruh. Hold on, wait. Nope, yeah, it's in the Malibu, bruh. I don't think I took that out of my Malibu when I sold it. Huh? Yeah. That shit's gonna probably break you go forward too much. Damn. See, bro, this is like one of the reasons, bro. Yo, bro, my car get this damn low, bro. Terrorized, bro. Well, not even terrorized, bro. Terrified. Cause, bro, look at this, bro. Right there. Dang, it went back down. Come Go back up. It went back down. You can't do that, bruh. Go back. Put it in park. See if it shit forward. I mean, it depends on where you're trying to put it at. Come back some more. It's right there though. This is just the crazy thing to try this on, bro. That's good. That should be good. Bro, that bit is like right there, bro. Hey, bro, Rand, you about to be teed as hell. Cause that still ain't enough. Bro, look at where it's at, bro. Hold on, wait, unless...
Tiny little bit more.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I mean, if you can get it to go down just a little bit more, then you straight. Oh, it's good? Yeah. All right, here you go. I don't know how the hell you work that goddamn, that jack, bro. Look at that. He done mastered that bit now. Shit, we freaking, he ain't know how to work that motherfucker, bro. My brightness low as hell, so just like try to. Damn, I'm about to mess my hoodie up, bro. Damn. Oh, let me see, nigga, you said this shit went smooth under here, bro.
Yeah.
Why that bitch not going under there, bro? Oh, there we go.
Shit.
Oh, no, I mean, like, if you want to do it, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? And I got that big ass shirt on, bro, which ain't making my life no much more easier, bro. Well, when I tell you, boy, you got real deal trust in that little motherfucker, bro.
Bitch was holding it for like 2 days, bro, when my fucking wheel was fucked up, bro.
I mean, yeah, bro, you right. Shit. Nah. Go some more. All right, man. So, yeah, we ending this jump inside of the car, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm chilling, I ain't gonna lie. A lot of stuff just happened. That boy Zay pulled up. I don't know if I got that on cam, but that boy Zay pulled up. I know Rand got it for sure. Zay pulled up. He left. And that nigga Zay, bro, cracked his goddamn rim. So I gotta see what's about to go on with this shit. But Rand should be finishing up his shit right now. So appreciate y'all boys for watching. And yeah, I'm out there, bit, man. My fault if I don't sound motivated, but that shit just threw me for a loop. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, appreciate y'all boys for watching. I'm finna get out there, bit, man. Peace out. Make sure y'all boys like the video, man. Comment. Let me know what other stuff y'all want to see get done to the car. And yeah, I'm out this, young man.